This 2022 Cherokee WOLFPACK 315 PACK-12 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cherokee is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, skylight, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, awning, leveling jacks, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Cherokee WOLFPACK 315 PACK-12 is 10,762 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.